It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 6th of February. I'm Michael Groff. A very cool start to the day once again, but temperatures will start that warming trend this afternoon, continuing through the weekend, where readings will go above average by Saturday and Sunday. But it won't last too long because another round of cool and unsettled conditions comes in here for next week and a shot at some rain around here finally. So let's get into it first. Yesterday in the valley, 55 degrees was the afternoon high, 35 the morning low. The normals, 69 and 47. Outside now, here at 8 o'clock, we've got a few high clouds out there, 37 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 14, humidity 38%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, it's below freezing at places like Goldfield, Granite Reef Dam, Saguaro Lake, East Mesa. A number of other locations around the metro are at or just above freezing, but we will be several degrees warmer by this afternoon. The upper air analysis this morning shows that trough that brought this cold weather to the southwest is now off into the plain states, all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and a wild weather array down there. Check it out, the watch warning map. Tornado watches for parts of Alabama and Georgia. We've got flash flood warnings in some of those spots as well. Flash flood watches for a good portion of the southeast, along with wind advisories. The convective outlook for today, the enhanced risk of severe storms extends from Tallahassee north and eastward towards Savannah and Raleigh and Charlotte, North Carolina, with the standard slight risk in places like Tampa Bay and Orlando. And precipitation for the next 7 days. Rain amounts here in Phoenix continue to inch upward as better model agreement comes in. We're now seeing amounts between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, somewhat heavier totals for the high country, and of course some of that will come in the form of snow up there. And we'll detail it now as we take a look at the models, see what's going on. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that very deep trough that came through here. It's now off in the plains all the way down to the Gulf Coast. As mentioned, that's where the weather is today. But for us down at the surface, mostly sunny skies, just a few high clouds, high temperatures this afternoon, getting into the low 60s. Tonight, clear, still cool, lows mid-30s to low 40s, but no freezing temperatures expected. Tomorrow, sunny and warmer, highs near 70. Over the weekend, we continue to warm up as the upper heights continue to rise, highs in the low to mid-70s on both Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, we will see an increase in clouds, though, as another weather system begins to develop to our west. A closed low begins to form. On Monday, that closed low now starts to pivot toward Arizona, and we'll see moisture continuing to increase. Mostly cloudy skies and a chance of rain in here. Right now, we're going with a 50% chance of rain. Might have to increase that as we get a little bit closer to the event, though. So a decent chance of rain and mountain snows, high temperatures falling back into the low and middle 60s. Tuesday, still have low pressure around, so a continued chance of rain in here, and high temperatures will remain in the upper 50s and low 60s. And Wednesday, this run of the GFS is a bit drier as it starts to move the system out of here a bit faster. But if we take a look at the European at the same time, Wednesday afternoon, it's still got rain in here. So we could be looking at least 3 days with chances of rain, and maybe even more than that. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 13th. Still have a wave coming through the southwest, another weak wave. And so we could at least see some clouds, maybe an isolated shower with that. Again, the European is more aggressive and cooler. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Saturday the 15th. And yeah, another wave coming through the southwest for a continuation of below average temperatures and chances of precipitation. All right, checking out the temperatures off the national blend of models. Yep, we warm it up this weekend, and then high temperatures do back off just a bit. Some of the model guidance is warmer. The GFS is certainly warmer than the European, so we'll have to figure that out as we get closer. But just know that high temperatures will likely go below average for much of next week with increased rain chances. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe out there and have yourselves a great Thursday.